In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to OneDrive file sharing. We'll walk through creating a shareable link from OneDrive, choosing the right permissions, and copying the link so you can send it anywhere. Follow along on your computer and pause as needed. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft OneDrive website. If you're not already signed in, choose the sign in option and enter your account details to reach your OneDrive home. You should see your files and folders in a clean list or grid. Next, locate the file or folder you want to share. Click once to select it, making sure it's highlighted so the toolbar appears. If you open the item, you can still share from there. The controls are consistent across views. With the item selected, click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel on the right side of the screen. By default, OneDrive prepares a link that other people can use. Now click the setting that reads, "Anyone with the link can edit." This line opens the link settings window, where you control who can use the link and what they can do. Anyone with the link means no sign-in is required. It's quick and convenient for broad sharing. If you want to keep your content view only, look for the permission control, often shown as a pencil icon or an edit toggle. Choose the option labeled "Can't make changes." This converts the link to a read-only link so recipients can open and view the file but cannot alter it. When you're satisfied with the permission, click Apply. You'll be returned to the main share panel with your updated settings in place. Finally, click Copy Link. OneDrive generates the link instantly and places it on your clipboard. Paste it into an email, a chat, or a document anywhere you need. Because we use the Anyone setting, recipients won't need a Microsoft account to open it, which makes it ideal for quick collaboration and simple handoffs. If you're sharing a folder, remember that anyone with the link can see everything inside it at the time they open it. If you later remove items, add new files, or rename the folder, the same link will still work with the updated contents. A few helpful reminders. Double check that you selected the correct file before sharing, and always confirm whether you want recipients to edit or only view. You can come back to the same share panel later to change permissions or stop sharing if needed. And that's it. Open OneDrive, pick your file, share, set the permission to "Can't make changes," apply, and copy your link. You're ready to share confidently and securely.